Hello everyone and welcome to the Animal Creations YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink in your rollerball pen. Now your rollerball pen may look a little differently than these ones do. However, the majority of these rollerball pens, the inks usually change the same way. So, as you can see, some of these rollerballs have a cap that just pulls off. In this case, this one's a twist off, so you just unscrew it and then set it aside. And this tip here, this also will screw off. Okay. And then you would simply just pull this out. Now inside here in this tip, there is also a spring mechanism. If this happens to fall out, A, make sure you don't lose it, important. And B, there is a tapered tip here at the end versus this wider tip. Just make sure whenever you put it in, just put it in with this wider end in first. Okay, and then if this was a new one, you'd just take the cap off this end and then put the flat end back in here. And put your tip over top. And then if you might have to wiggle it around a little bit till it seats properly. And then just push it in and twist. And you may get a little ink on your fingers. And that's okay too. So these rollerball ink refills, they can be purchased either through us if you contact us via email, or anywhere that sells stationery, like Staples or Amazon. So if you have any questions, just shoot us an email and we'll get back to you, and have a nice day.